Okay, in this step, we're going to add TronLink as an extension to the Chrome browser. Go over to Extensions, Manage Extensions. We're now going to find the Chrome store, which is down here at the bottom. Let me pull this up so you can see it. There we go. So TronLink is a community wallet made by it's an open source project on Tron blockchain. And you find the Chrome link and you just add it. Add the extension. And you can turn on sync if you wish to go onto all your computers, but I'm not going to do that. Now I'm going to pin it to the board here, which is this little pin mark right here. So you can see it appears up here. And here we go. Just clicking on that, you can say, what do we want to do? Well, if you already have a Tron wallet, not necessarily a TronLink wallet, you could basically import depending, right? But what you want to do is probably create a wallet here. And of course, you got to agree to the user agreement. I'm a speed reader, so I read all that. And here we go. Now you need to name the wallet. So let's call this the mining wallet for TruIQ. Or we could say TruQoin. See, I put there's a little dash above the U there. I had set up my computer to automatically add that every time I type TruQoin. And then create a password. Now I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple one. Then A, B, C. And they want a lowercase d. I had capital A, B, C. They do not match, so I did not put it in yet. Capital A, capital B, capital C, and a lowercase d. There we go. Now it's created. Back to the wallet. Now it wants me to put it in again. A, B, C, that was all caps, and then a lowercase d. Confirm. Now it wants me to back up the mnemonic phrase consisting of 12 to 24 words. Now this is an important step. This is a very important step. And may I say, this is a very important step. Go ahead and get these words written down. And it's going to allow you to copy them, but okay, view. Make sure no one's looking over your shoulder. There you go. Now I'm going to copy them. And I'm going to go ahead and paste them. Okay, I opened up a text editor. Paste. So here's the 12-word mnemonic phrase. So this is for the TronLink wallet. And what was my password? A, B, C, lowercase d. Now, obviously, I'm not going to be keeping this wallet. This is just for your demonstration, so don't worry about that. All right, now there's a reason why I put it into a word processor or a text file, right? Because you're going to need to confirm this. So let's continue. Now I want to, if you actually click off of this little window, it'll go away. You have to enter your password again when you're doing this process. Okay, already backed up. Now it wants me to repeat it. Okay, so let me go ahead and repeat that. So the 12th word. What is the 12th word? That's what it's asking here. Well, the 12th is guard. So find guard. Next. Okay, now it wants to know what the first word is. Hidden. Next. And what is the 6th word? It's raccoon. Done. Verification successful. Oh, and it fixed the problem. All right, so here we go. Now here is the address. We're going to need this address. It's right underneath here. It says TT8B, and then you can't see the whole thing, but I'm just going to go ahead and put copied. Go back over. I'm going to paste that here. So there's the wallet address. While we're here, I'm just going to show you something. Up here it says mainnet. This is where you're going to be all of the time, unless you're a developer, and then you can have these there's test nets, right? But just focus on the mainnet Tron grid, right? That's where you want to be. Just pointing it out. Now, if you click on this one, it says mining wallet, it gives you the ability to add another wallet. That wallet would be under your hot wallet. There, it's kind of, if, for example, you wanted to separate out into different wallets for some reason, you have, let's say, one for business, one for personal, one for your children, whichever way you'd like to do it, you could basically add another wallet. They would appear here. You can also, let me click on that, import a wallet and use a mnemonic phrase. And that would also appear in here. So I want to keep in mind that this wallet, right, that's here, this part of this extension, the TronLink extension, is for this browser. May I just say this again? It's for this browser. The password that you entered is for this browser. So if you went and put in an extension on a different browser, you could use the same password, but they have no relationship to each other. It can get confusing. You can even add this same wallet. I just want to keep in mind but they are different because you could get confused with it. I'm just pointing that out, and why you can't log into another one. Hey, my password worked. Now it doesn't work. That's why you need to be clear about this one feature. This TronLink extension we're adding these wallets to is not your wallet. You're adding wallets to the extension which has a password. Okay, that's all I want to say about that. And go back into here. So right now we don't have anything other than the Tron, which is TRX, and their own version of a fiat stable coin called USDD. Okay, so we don't have any of those. Now, I'll also say that the energy here and the bandwidth are the things that are needed for you to do transactions. Bandwidth is when you're sending Tron or any of these other coins to another wallet. You use bandwidth. As soon as you add to activate this wallet, you need to add one Tron or a couple Tron. It'll ask and spend about 1.5 Tron to activate this wallet. It's a one-time fee to make sure the wallet is live. Right? So this wallet right here is not quite live yet, but when you do, you'll get 1,500 bandwidth per day. That would give you enough to basically do about 6 transactions a day at no cost. All right, you can expand that by staking. Energy is actually when you're interacting with smart contracts. And you can also increase that. You don't get any energy, right? But usually it's the smart contract that's using the energy, not you. But anyway, that's what it's there for. You can also notice it says unconnected. It's unconnected because there is no website that it's connected to. This is a Web3 wallet. This extension is a Web3 wallet. So if we went over here, now let's go to the mining site. So see, it wants to now get permission to connect. So if I connect this wallet right here, the TT8B wallet, I push connect, it's going to now give me access to this website. That being said, I want you to see this is the mining site. the ID here is 0. Now, if I have a miner ID, which is the same as my independent brand partner number in TruIQ, it should appear here. But since I just made this wallet, I have not entered it in my back office at TruIQ. So that's why this doesn't show up. But it does give me access to this site. I can basically say, well, I have no records, right? I'm no mining. I'm in the mining my statistics. I've got no statistics. Why? Because this wallet address is not connected to my miner ID. We'll have to do that in the next step. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. These positive activities build value for TruQoin.